Hello, everyone. How's it going? You guys have probably seen all the new developments that have been happening with AI and all these new cool workflows that you can do. A lot of people have been using frameworks such as LangChain, LangGraph, right, for making these agents and giving them tools so that they can interact with, for example, send messages, send emails, schedule calendar events, right, and all those things, which is very cool. And there's another solution, which is actually maybe simpler depending on the kind of developer you are, which is n8n. They give you this no-code framework where you can make these nodes and you can connect them. You have like switch statements for the business logic, right? And you can connect these tools to make something pretty cool. So what I did is I made a template which you can download for free. This will be in the link of the video. And in here, what we do is we have a bot that will provide HR and IT answers for the employees at a company, right? So what you can do is that, yeah, right, you have an agent here and it has an access to a chat model. You can give it a chat memory. In this case, we're using Postgres in production. We also use the Postgres with DB Vector for storing the embeds, right? The data that we want the bot to respond with. And we send a message to Telegram. So it's a pretty simple flow, not hard to make this yourself in Python with LangGraph or the libraries we have out there. But this can be done by someone with much less technical knowledge, right? So just giving you a quick overview here, we have this first step where we embed the data, right? This you only have to run once. And I gave it an employee handbook as an example. You can see here. There's a lot of policies for this like school district somewhere. And we have a trigger on Telegram. So depending on the message, if it's text or audio, it's going to edit the JSON, or if it's an audio message, it's just going to transcribe it using OpenAI as well. And yeah, it's a pretty simple flow. And let me show you it running in practice. So let me start this. Let me test it. Yeah, and now it's waiting for the trigger event, right? So I'm gonna send it a message asking about my comp policy, and let's see how it replies. What is my comp policy? And then you can see it taking all of the different steps here, which are pretty cool. Yeah, so it ran, and I also got my response here. So I sent it an audio message about my comp policy, and it gave me a reply. So n8n is a pretty cool framework. To be honest, this is the first time I've used it. I think there are some other interesting templates that we can make, and I'll be posting those as well. I hope this helps you out, and so you can see the potential of n8n and probably make some cool workflows for your company as well.